Hello there everyone and welcome to South Greenford Railway Station, and kicking us off will be 165-137 with the 1252 Great Western Railway service from West Ealing through to Greenford. Arriving next into the station is 165-137, working the 1304 Great Western Railway service from Greenford through to West Ealing. Next making its way up the hill is 66-120, working 6 Oscar 98 from Park Royal Marken through to Angerstein Wharf. Next train out to depart is 165-137, working the 1322 Great Western Railway service from West Ealing through to Greenford. Arriving in the opposite direction is 165-137, working the 1344 Great Western Railway service from Greenford through to West Ealing. And to take us on to our next station is 165-137, working the 1352 Great Western Railway service from West Ealing through to Greenford. Thank you so much for watching everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then folks.